Hey, it's Veronica from the support team. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to connect email account to Woodpecker automatically. The whole process is shortened as much as possible so that you can move on to setting up other things in the app, like creating campaigns. This is a matter of just a few clicks, so let's take a look at what Woodpecker has to offer. To start, go to your account settings, choose the Accounts tab and click on the Add Email Account button. Now you'll see options for a few email providers and the fields to fill in with your email login credentials. If your email provider matches the ones we have as automatic options, choose this to go over this process smoothly. Select the account you want to connect, review all confirmations, allow Woodpecker access to your account and wait a bit until it's successfully connected. Before you choose which account to connect, make sure forwarding, labeling or two-step verification are not enabled for the moment, so there are no issues with the connection process. Once it's done, all you have to do is set up your name displayed in Woodpecker accounts and a signature for emails. But both of those can also be done later in settings. Should any issues arise, check our help center, which has detailed troubleshooting explanations. It's really worth a read. Now, if you have an account with a different email provider than the ones listed on the buttons in our app, we also have a video about manual connection, so make sure to check that. If you have any questions on email connections, don't hesitate to contact our support team.